Well, yes, I was a contestant in 2009. To be back this year as a mentor is a huge honour. I'm absolutely delighted to be back. I have to admit it does feel a bit strange coming through the door and having the chance to mentor someone only 3 years later is a tremendous achievement for myself, and I'm delighted that Gráinne agreed to come on the show and be our contestant for this year. She's a lovely young girl, she's very talented, and I think she's going to do fantastically well in the show. Well, you definitely do always have the pressure to put on a great show for your audience, whether you're on camera or whether you're just on stage. I have to say I do feel a lot more comfortable this time. I was very intimidated, I suppose, as anyone would be starting off with the cameras and things, but you know, you gain experience every day, and I'm still learning something new every day, and it's great to be back, but I'm thoroughly enjoying it this time. The advice I would give to people would be just to be true to yourself and never give up hope, never give up trying, always keep knocking on that door. The travelling would be the hardest part, definitely with the job, but we do travel an incredible amount of miles up and down the country to each show. When you're not on the road or you're not on stage, I find myself anyway constantly looking for new songs to record or ways that we can improve our show, or you're in the recording studio, there's always something that you can be doing. I suppose at the odd time I would love to go out meet up with friends and go to different other shows and see other people and see what they're doing for their audiences as well. It's great. Isme Lisa McHugh, Fecht a GlórTíre, TG4, Gach Céadaoin.